Like many of you, I've had problems with my Bissell Pro Heat putting out water. I tried all the different fixes. I tried the heater fix that I saw on YouTube earlier, and that wasn't my problem. It would be very intermittent. It'd work every time I thought I had it working. I'd try cleaning the hoses, and everything I did seemed to make matters stay the same. I finally figured out the problem with mine, and that might help you, is if you pull out the tank and look in the bottom, right here is where the water goes into. And I don't know if you can see that, but I actually put a screw in there. What was happening was the valve on the bottom of this tank was not being depressed for whatever reason. I tried messing with the O-ring or the gasket. I tried everything I could. And the way I finally figured out, if you want to figure out if your pump is working, take a cup of water, turn your machine on, dump the water directly into that hole, and you'll see it start sucking there. At least I did. It started sucking it down and rolling it through the machine, so I knew then that my problem was just that my tank wasn't feeding the water. And I tried a little bit of everything until I found this solution. And there's a round peg that sticks up in there that's supposed to push in the bottom of that valve on the water tank. So that peg is hollow. So I just found a simple machine screw that fit the inside of that peg and screwed that screw into it to raise the point up, so that when I put the tank back in, it's got, here's the bottom of the tank, it's got that spot there where the valve is. When I set it in there now, that screw pushes in the bottom of that valve, and voila, I have water. Hope it works for you. Thanks.